salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Earlier today, Maulana Hazar Imam participated in a groundbreaking ceremony of the Lawal Jamaat Khana, a new space that will serve the Ismaili Jamaat and broader community in Greater Montreal. The event brought together local community and civic leaders to mark the start of construction on a project years in the making. The Lawal Jamaat Khana is designed as a net zero community center and congregation hub, developed in consultation with the city of Lawal, local residents, and community stakeholders. It will house space for cultural programming, indoor athletics, performing arts, and civic dialogue. Built using mass timber construction and passive house design principles, the facility is intended to achieve net zero energy performance and to support biodiversity through its landscaping. The project will transform what was previously a vacant site into a sustainable community landmark. Within Canada, Quebec is home to a large Ismaili population, many of whom arrived in the 1970s. Over the past 5 decades, the community has become a familiar part of Canadian civic life, in business, public service, and the arts. In Lawal specifically, that presence has continued to expand, making the case for a dedicated facility both practical and timely. Today, the Ismaili community in Quebec is actively engaged across all areas of society, said Neelab Feroz, President of the Ismaili Council for Quebec and the Maritimes. Our community contributes meaningfully to the cultural, economic, and social fabric of this province. We are proud to count among us entrepreneurs, educators, health professionals, public servants, and deeply engaged citizens. Lawal Jamaat Khana will serve as a place of gathering and spiritual reflection for Ismailis. But the broader development is open to all. Community programming, cultural events, and dialogue initiatives are planned to be accessible and inclusive, welcoming residents from across Lawal. The aim is to build something that belongs to the neighborhood as much as to the community that built it. Today, we are not merely laying a cornerstone or pouring concrete. We are building a bridge between cultures and generations, said Francois Philippe Champagne, Canada's Minister of Finance and National Revenue. This is an ambitious project that embodies what the Ismaili community has brought to Quebec and Canada for more than 50 years: inclusion, innovation, service, and pluralism. In attendance were national and provincial leaders of the Jamaat, volunteers, and supporters. In his remarks, Maulana Hazar Imam thanked them for the project's progress thus far and looked forward to its completion. "I'm grateful to all of you," he said, "for doing what our community is supposed to do, which is to enrich and to serve and to help make colorful the societies in which we live." Ya mushkil kushan, ya hazir